In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your American Express savings account in 2025. Whether you're checking your balance, transferring funds, or just making sure everything's in order, accessing your account online should be smooth and straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to make sure you get there without any hiccups. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in American Express and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to American Express. What you're looking for is the official American Express site, which should be labeled something like American Express credit cards, rewards, and banking. Go ahead and click on this link to get to the homepage. Once you're on the American Express homepage, you'll notice various options related to credit cards, services, and information. Your goal here is to locate and click on the Log In button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the web page. Clicking Login will direct you to the sign-in page where you'll access your account. Now that you're on the login page, you're going to fill in the required details to access your account. Start by entering your user ID in the field provided. Ensure that you type in the correct user ID associated with your account, as even minor mistakes can result in access issues. Once you've done that, move on to the next field and enter your password. It's important to be careful here as well, since passwords are case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, there should be a link to reset it. Most banking sites offer this option for security purposes. Before you proceed, you'll notice an option labeled Remember Me. This feature allows your user ID to be saved on the device you're currently using, making future logins quicker. If you're on a personal and secure device, you might want to consider enabling this feature. However, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's best to leave this unchecked to maintain your account's security. After entering your user ID and password and deciding on the Remember Me option, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on the Log In button. If all your details are correct, this should redirect you to your account dashboard. Here, you can manage your savings and perform any other actions you need. And there you have it. Signing into your American Express savings account in 2025 is as easy as following these simple steps. Ensuring your login credentials are correct and keeping your account details secure will make your experience hassle-free. Remember, if you face any issues, contact American Express support for assistance. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your finances.